smallest planet in our solar system, Mercury, is cratered and just slightly larger than the Moon. According to Universe Today, the planet was first mentioned by the Sumerians in the 2nd millennium BC, between the years 2000 to 1001 BC, and it was known as the planet Nabu by the Babylonians. We refer to it by the name the Romans gave it in honor of their nimble messenger god, Mercury. Today, we'll be looking at 9 bizarre Mercury-related facts. First, it experiences the solar system's biggest temperature variations. Mercury is the planet that is nearest to the Sun. However, despite this, Mercury's surface can still be quite cold because it lacks a heat-trapping atmosphere. According to NASA, daytime temperatures can soar to a sweltering 800 degrees Fahrenheit, 430 degrees Celsius, while at night, they can plunge to as low as -290 Fahrenheit. Second, it is the solar system's smallest planet. The tiny planet is only slightly larger than Earth's moon and has a diameter of roughly 3,030 miles, or about as wide as the continental United States. Third, its orbit is peculiar. According to NASA, Mercury is the fastest planet in the solar system, traveling around the Sun at a speed of about 29 miles per second every 88 Earth days. Besides being rapid, Mercury's orbit is also exceedingly elliptical. The planet can be 42 million miles from the Sun or as near to it as 29 million miles. Fourth, near poles are where surface ice is found. Inside a few of Mercury's craters, NASA's Messenger probe found water ice in 2012. In 2017, it was established that Mercury's North Pole is covered in a lot more ice than was previously believed. When highly bright areas in the polar regions were discovered by Earth-based telescopes in the 1990s, the possibility of ice was first raised. Its huge iron core is the fifth feature. 75% of the planet's diameter, or around 2,200 to 2,400 miles, is made up of Mercury's massive metallic core. Mercury's outer layer is only 300 to 400 miles thick. To put things in context, more iron is present in the enormous core than on any other planet in the solar system. Scientists are unsure of how it developed or why it is so improbably big. Sixth, every inch of it has been mapped. The Mercury surface, space environment, geochemistry, and ranging mission, Messenger, probe, launched by NASA, orbited Mercury for more than 4 years and returned some incredible pictures of the solar system's nearest planet. These photographs were used by researchers to compile the first thorough map of Mercury's surface. Seventh, its atmosphere is the thinnest in the solar system. The atmosphere of Mercury is the thinnest of any planet in our solar system. Since the atmosphere is so thin, the exosphere is another term for it used by scientists. According to NASA, oxygen, sodium, hydrogen, helium, and potassium make up the majority of Mercury's exosphere. Next, it has strange tails. Researchers have found that Mercury contains comet-like jets of particles sloughing off its surface. As described in an article from Earth Sky, astrophotographers on Earth can capture these intriguing tails in long-exposure pictures. The tails, according to scientists, are created when sodium in Mercury's exosphere glows as a result of being energized by sunlight. According to a NASA Science article, sunlight can potentially dislodge these molecules off Mercury's surface and propel them into space. Lastly, it has magnetic tornadoes. Mercury has a magnetic field, which confounds scientists because the planet seems too small to support a worldwide magnetic field. Even though Mercury's magnetic field is just 1% as strong as Earth's, it may nevertheless produce magnetic tornadoes, which can be highly chaotic. According to NASA, when Mercury's magnetic field and solar wind interact, magnetic tornadoes are occasionally created, which direct rapid, hot solar wind plasma to the planet's surface. The neutrally charged atoms on the surface are displaced by the solar wind plasma when it strikes them, launching the loops into Mercury's atmosphere. These are just a few of the strangest and most unexpected facts about Mercury. Even if Mercury is one of the smallest planets, it has many mysteries that fascinate us. Hit the subscribe button for more such interesting space videos.